There are different ways of voting in a meeting poll, depending on whether you are an internal or an external user. Firstly, if I'm an internal user, I can vote directly from the OnTime client by going to the meeting poll section and clicking on the specific meeting. Now I get a graphical overview of my calendar on the day that I suggested, and based upon this, I can vote on whether or not I can attend. When I've answered, I can submit my answers, and it is now up to the owner to make a decision. If I'm an external user, I instead receive an email with a link to vote online. When I open this link, I get to a site where I have all the meeting information. This site can be designed by the company who's inviting using their logo, links, and colors. The language is controlled by the language of your browser and can be adjusted in the top right corner. On the site, you can see what has already been voted for, and you can vote yourself. When you're done voting, all you have to do is click submit. If none of the dates fit, you can also just say cannot make it. Now that everyone has responded to the meeting poll, I can, as owner of the poll, book the meeting directly from the OnTime client and send out the invites. When I open the poll, I can see how many people have voted for the different days, and I can then choose the best fit, which in this case is the 2nd of May, where 7 people have said that they are available. If people haven't responded, I can also notify them, which sends them a follow-up email.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.